Okay guys, do you want to add profile picture here on your computer? Okay, so to add, follow my instruction. Okay guys, here in your Windows PC, okay, go to lower left side on your screen on start menu, click this and go to settings. In settings, go to account. Here in account, go to your info. Okay, click this. Here in your info, you can see here the create your picture. There are two options to put picture on your info. So the number one is camera. So you can click the camera and you can capture your picture and insert to your info. Another one or the second one is browse for your one. So you can click this and find the picture you want to put on your info. So for my example, I put this picture and click the choose picture button to insert. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add or put a picture on your computer or laptop.